Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed about the rate of equations. In this laser rate of equations including the 3 systems, 2 level system, 3 level system and 4 level system. So, now yesterday we can start the 2 level systems. So, that point today we are to be continued this point. So, in this 2 level system we can see that how can be atoms in excited state to goes to the stimulated emission can be takes place. So, in this 2 level system the excited state atoms of level E2 undergoes stimulated emission, other is the spontaneous emission of transitions takes place. In this system the atoms will be in excited state goes to the ground state and then stimulated emission and according to that of spontaneous emission of transitions can be takes place. So, number of atoms undergoing spontaneous transitions from E2 to E1. In excited states atoms due to this processing we get to the in de-excited state, means excited state in the ground state will be reached after the spontaneous emission of process will be done. So, n spontaneous is equal to 821 plus S21 in bracket close n2 is equal to T21 n2. This will be the rate of change of the population of E2 level. So, it will be given by that will be the dN2 by dt is equal to omega W1 to W12 N1 of population inversion in ground state and W21 N2 is population inversion in excited state. So, minus T21 N2 will be takes place. So, omega W12 is equal to omega 21. In this way N1 is equal to N2. So, that will be the omega 12 is equal to W12 is equal to W21. So, dN2 by dt is equal to W12 in bracket N1 minus N2 population inversion in ground state minus in excited state. So, in bracket close minus T21 N2 will be generate the equation 6. So, similarly we can get the population of inversion takes place to excited state to according to that of ground state to excited state. So, the rate of change of population in E1 levels can be given by dN1 upon dt is equal to W12 in bracket N1 minus N2 plus T21 N2 equation 7. So, in this case steady state condition will be reached. So, this steady state will be dN2 upon dt is equal to 0 and dN1 by dt is equal to 0 can be takes place. So, in this way the spontaneous emission of transition state will be reached. So, these will be the equations can be formed omega W12 in bracket N1 minus N2 minus T21 N2 is equal to 0. So, W N1 minus N2 plus T21 N2 is equal to 0. In this state we can be we get the T12 is equal to T21. So, we can write the W is equal to N1 minus N2 plus T21 by N2 is equal to 0. So, W12 N1 minus N1 minus N2 is equal to 221 N2. So, N1 minus N2 is equal to T21 upon W12 N2, this equation will be generated. So, N1 is equal to we get N1 that population inversion in ground state and excited state combining together, we get the N1 is equal to N2, and this will be represented in the form of 1 plus T21 upon omega W12 is equal to N12 plus T21 upon W12. So, this will be generated the equations of N2 by N1 is equal to W12 upon W12 plus T21. N2 by N1 can be defined as N2 by N1 is similarly form of the N1 is equal to N2, means it will be generated the T21 is equal to T21 is equal to T12. So, and that it can be reached the omega N2 by N1 is equal to W12 upon W12 plus T21, equation 9 can be found. In this process, the population inversion in excited state less than in ground state, means it will be represented N2 less than N1. It can be write in the form of omega W12 plus T21 greater than W12. So, in this way we can prove that it will be implicit the conditions never attain the steady state population inversion can be generated, means it can be d1 by dt is cannot be represented by dn1 by dn2 will be not be reached the 0 state. So, it can be never attain the steady state the population inversion by optical pumping in a 2 level system. In this way we can never be attain that in population in a state of inversion processes. According to that it will be generated by optical pumping in the form of 2 level system. So, PN junction semiconductor laser is an of a 2 level laser pumping is most example. It will be done by the by direct electrical pumping method. So, in this way we can be proof that the 2 level system. So, thank you.